Hey guys, so I'm just making this video. I'm in the process of getting this motor back in my car. It's a 2010 Camaro SS. My goal with this car is to make 700 horse. I have a few other videos if you guys want to check out this project. But I figured I'd make a separate video on just the ZL1 mounts. Switching over from the stock SS to the ZL1 mounts. There is something you have to be aware of. So looking at the standoff, if you look underneath, it's a rabbit fit. You can see that machined like rectangle. And if you look at the top of the mount, you'll see the same thing. So that helps lock it in and locate it. And then if you look, it's nice and flush. So a brand new ZL1 mount, unmodified, you'll see the bottom of that stud is wider. It's got a coarser thread. I'm not really sure if that's to thread into a ZL1 standoff, or I'm just guessing. I have no idea why it's wider, but I can tell you it won't allow it to sit flush on a SS standoff. That's all the way up. So I had replaced this a year ago, and I could tell something didn't seem right trying to do it in the car, fighting it. I ended up tightening that nut up. It did pull it up somewhat, but I could still see that there was a gap in it. Now I know why. So if you look at the top of that stud, it's wider at the bottom. You look at a factory mount, it's straight all the way down. So what I did was, here's another ZL1 mount. All I did was take a carbide tip, Dremel. I'm trying to get that to focus, but I think you get the idea. And I just took that thread at the base off. I just kind of ground it flush with the rest of it. And if you look now, wrong way. There we go. So now it sits nice and flush. No issue getting it in and out. So like I said, that other one that I did do a year ago, to get that out, I had to put the nut on the threads and pound the thing out because it was, I forced it up inside the aluminum. So you can hog the hole out too on the standoff. It's just once you hog that thing out, you can't, there's no turning back without getting a new one. These are, I mean, sacrificial. You're probably gonna replace them again at some point anyway. So that's how I'm doing it. Seems like it's gonna work out well. And again, this project, I'm documenting the whole project. So there's already a few other videos if you guys wanna check it out. Like I said, 2010 Camaro SS, goal to make 700 to the tire. Thanks.